Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a strawberry cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter and your sugar and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This normally takes between 7 and 10 minutes for me, but it may depend on your climate wherever you are living. You can then go ahead and add in the egg, a little bit at a time or roughly one egg at a time until all of the egg has been fully incorporated. Once it has been, you can then go ahead and add in the strawberry jam. Get as much of this in there as possible. It will help colour and flavour the cake, which is what you're looking for. Don't forget to go ahead and add in all of your dry ingredients. You can do this gradually, but I added mine all in one go and just mix until I have a clear cake batter. Then gave the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can go ahead and grab your lightly oiled cake tins. You can feel free to place parchment in if you want, but I didn't have any parchment paper left. Lightly oiling them will do the job just fine. Then you can go ahead and divide the cake batter into the 3 tins. Feel free to weigh it. I sometimes do, I sometimes don't. I've got pretty good at just eyeballing it. You can then go ahead and place them into your preheated oven and bake them off. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which you will find linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. I lost some footage, but all I've made is a basic cream cheese icing, which is where I've beat the icing sugar and butter together, added the cream cheese, and then gone ahead and added the strawberry jam, and this will help flavour and colour your frosting. Feel free to go ahead and place this into the fridge if you find that it's a little bit too loose. It will help firm it up. Grab your cake sponges once they're baked, level them off, and then I brushed over some simple syrup, as I just wanted to make sure the cake stayed moist for days, as you know, nobody wants to eat dry cake. You can then go ahead and start the decorating process, so grab yourself a plate, board or stand, and place a small amount of buttercream into the centre of it, then place down your first layer of cake and press it down. This is just to secure it in place. Then you can take that layer of cake and pipe a ring of buttercream all the way around the edge and fill it in with the same buttercream. Be as generous or as scrimpy as you want to be with the buttercream. I just went with a standard amount. Then repeat the process of layering the cakes until you have no sponges left. So to start the coating of the cake, I place some on top, then go ahead and put it into a piping bag, place some of the buttercream, and then just pipe around the edge in rings. It doesn't need to be perfect, as you can tell I've got gaps. Don't worry, as long as you've got an roughly even coating, you should be fine. I like to start by smoothing and leveling out the top, although you'll have to do this twice, don't worry, it's fine. Then you can go ahead and smooth out the sides and do this as much as you need to just to get that perfect finish, or as perfect as you'd like to take it. While the frosting is still at room temperature, you can go ahead and get them scraggly edges away. Not perfect, but better. Then I went ahead and just created a border around the bottom of the cake with some of these heart sprinkles which I had in the cupboard, and on top I made a swirl with a small cranked palette knife, but feel free to decorate it however you'd like. I then also added a drip to the cake. I've never really done this with a cream cheese icing because it normally melts it, but this wasn't that bad, and it wasn't my favourite drip, but it wasn't the worst. Then on top, instead of piping even more rosettes, I just went ahead and sprinkled on some more of those sprinkles that I used for the border. So here is what the cake looked like once it's been baked, cooled, decorated, and it's finished. Here is what it looks like. You've got 3 layers of strawberry and vanilla cake with a cream cheese icing, which is also strawberry, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. I'll be linked to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.